Okay, it's time to feed our chickies for the first time.
I feel the feet.
Their first meal. Don't get up underneath there. Come on, honey.
They're walking.
I believe that's Grow Gel or something like that. Some vitamins for chicks that have been shipped in boxes. Okay, let them go, Lily.
I'm making them eat it and see if they got it.
Okay, that's too high. Don't hold it up so high.
Can I just hold it a little
No,
bit?
let them eat right now.
So it's food time for me.
It's food time for you too?
Yep.
What are you eating?
Cookies?
A cookie.
Mm-hmm. I like my baby chicks.
Okay, well, quit petting them right now. They're supposed to be pecking on the gel. They're supposed to be attracted to the bright green and eat it. Oh, there's one.
They're just picking on that. This one's up to the highest.
Quit touching them, Lily.
Fine. But it's dinner time for me.
Mm-hmm. Oh, stand on the food and eat it.
What?
That's how they do it. They stand on the food and eat it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think they're eating the gel. I think they're eating the chicken food, don't you?
I think they kind of eat the gel and the gel falls on the chicken food. Look, their nails are on the gel.
Mm-hmm.
Then, look, that one's got something right there. What is that? One is black.
Mm. Okay, I'm going to turn it off.
Turn what off?
The video.
Okay.
You hear them just a pecking.
Mm-hmm.
They say, good.